my beautiful people, welcome back. Happy Halloween to you all. I love spooky season. I like pumpkins and dressing up and Halloween candy, and it's always been so much fun in our house. So tonight we're going to do something quick and easy, and I hope a lot of fun, and it's very suitable for doing with your kids or grandkids, and I hope you guys are enjoying it, are going to enjoy it as well. I have here some Artist Loft ready to pour paints. I got these from Michael's. So they are already all mixed up and ready to go. You don't have to do anything to them except open the bottle. I have some black. I have this beautiful Magenta Deep color. I have some orange, which is just orange. I have a metallic purple, which is really, really pretty. I have, this one's my favorite, metallic cobalt blue, which is the same as the other Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue, and it's just gorgeous. I have some pearl white. Or is this the metallic white? Yeah, metallic white, and then I have some old gold, which is a really beautiful gold too. So you want to make sure that you shake these up pretty well, because who knows how long they've been sitting in the store. So we're just going to give them all a quick shake. And I have already taken the paper out of the top, so they're ready to go. And it is kind of convenient because they come with this nice little squirt hole, so you don't have to use this big giant hole. You can just squirt it. So we're going to do this one way first. I have two pumpkins here. I got both of these from Michael's. This one is about 5-6 inches. This one is harder. I don't think it's wood because it's not that heavy, but it's definitely not styrofoam. This one is a styrofoam pumpkin, and I have stuck some push pins in the bottom, and we're just going to pour right on top of these. So the first one, we're going to pour it just using the paints directly out of the container, and I'm going to pour them on one at a time and see how that goes. And then this one we might layer a cup and see how it's different and see which one we like better. So I have taped off the stem on this one just because it's gold and it's pretty and I don't want to get it dirty. So the first thing we're going to do is put some black on all of these, on this one, and I'm just going to kind of rub it around, sort of like a flow extender base coat, if you will, because, you know, paint needs something to slide around on. You may not need to go all around, just make sure we have some good coverage on there. He already looks cool. Okay, we're going to start with that. Let's put a little ring of gold around here. Like I said, I'm not going to layer a cup for this one. I'm just going to go pouring the paint directly around it. And we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to use a bunch of different colors on this, so if it doesn't work, we'll just pour some paint. Let's use some metallic purple. That already looks really cool. Okay. I don't know, we might have to layer a cup. Let's try some metallic white on there. It's kind of nifty. Maybe a little more gold. Let's put some more black on there too. Now, this may not do what I thought it would do because it seems like it's just going down the edges and it's not going over the big chunky parts. So let's see. Try a little bit of orange on there. What do you think, HOA? Do you think I should layer a cup? Or do you think it looks kind of cool like that when it was just in the edges?
No, I think it looks cool like that, but let's try the other one too.
I kind of want it like all over it though. I don't want it just in the little chub parts.
Instead of pouring it so close to the center where it only goes in the edges, do a little farther to the edge.
So pour it out farther?
Yeah.
Okay. I just
maybe spin it too.
That's an idea. This is where I get paint all over me. Okay, that already looks kind of trippy.
Yeah, you see on the edge that's kind of closer to me?
It's like falling down. Oh.
Yeah, so get close, like out there with it maybe. And then do the center
Actually, I
again.
kind of liked your idea of spinning it. I'm going to see what happens when we spin it. So I'm going to just push it out just a little bit.
Do I need a shield?
No. I'm not spinning it that fast. Okay, actually that kind of looks cool. But I think I want more of the metallic cobalt on there. So I'm going to put a little bit more black on. And then we're going to do this one more time. Okay. I'm going to put some purple on first. And HOA was saying put it around there instead of around the center. So we're going to try it that way. Let's see what happens. I love this cobalt. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yep.
Let's put a little bit of our metallic white on there. A little bit more gold. And a little bit more black.
If you don't try, you never know.
That's right. Let's give this a quick spin. Just gentle. I love it. It's so cool. That's awesome. What do you think? I see one more spot where the black hasn't quite covered yet. I think that's really cool looking.
Blessed are the easily amused.
For we shall never be bored. That's right. Okay. Do you think it needs another color on top, or should I stop there? I think it looks
Maybe
pretty
just a tiny bit of gold on the top, like really close to the stem.
But I got these little wispy lines up there, which is pretty cool. I want to leave it like that.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay.
cool.
So I'm going to take this one and just move it right over there. And then we're going to get this other one. And I'm just going to use some of the paint that's already on my table and put it on this pumpkin as a base coat rather than pouring a whole bunch of black for no reason. But I think we'll layer a cup for this one. This is a lot of fun. I love these styrofoam pumpkins. So out here in California, I don't know if you've ever tried to carve a pumpkin out here, but after like 2 days, the real pumpkins, they get kind of moldy and gross, which is very scary in and of itself. So these little styrofoam ones that actually stay nice are awesome. So my kids and I have had so much fun with these all the time that they were growing up. Of course, they're big now, and they're busy with school and their friends and their lives, and they didn't want to carve pumpkins this year, so Mommy has to play all by myself. All right, I'm going to put some black on this one first, and then we're going to layer a cup. Let's just give this a quick spin. Woo! Maybe not.
That was
It
predictable.
was a nice catch, though, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, let's get a cup, and I just get a cup. And let's layer a cup. And see how this goes. Okay. You definitely want to put some of this beautiful deep magenta on there. So we're going to start with that. And then maybe some gold. And then some of our metallic purple. And let's put a little bit of white in there. Go with our orange now. I'm going to put a little bit of black in there. And some beautiful cobalt. And maybe one more shot of white. And some more of that magenta. Okay. Let's pour this and see what happens. So the reason that I wanted to use these ready to pour paints is because they actually dry incredibly shiny. All right. So we're going to just go around.
Okay.
Oh, I could spin it and just pour it in the same place. I don't know if you-
Maybe rotate it instead of spinning.
You're no fun. Okay.
We're
Here we
one-handed
go.
catch now.
Here we go. Let's go this way first. That's kind of nifty looking. You can come out. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that metallic cobalt. Oh my god. Wow. That's so cool. Look at the thing. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Okay, so I know from experience that it is going to continue to drip down and to continue to keep moving. But I really like this. Look at this part over here. That metallic cobalt is so beautiful. Really, really, really pretty stuff. What do you think, HOA? Are we finished with this one? Or?
Yeah, it's killer looking like that.
Okay. There's a couple spots that aren't completely filled in on the bottom, but I'm just going to let this one drip for a minute or two. Okay, what about that one? Do you think that see it continued to drip? But the black is kind of neat though. What do you think? Should we put a little bit more paint on there maybe?
Seems like the cooler parts are facing away from me. I like what's happening on the screen left side. Oh, that's cool.
Maybe we'll just leave it that way.
Yeah.
Because I think it's really neat. But I do love this magenta too. It's really pretty. We're just going to give this a baby spin. Like the tiniest little spin. I don't know. You think it's cool?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, this was pretty fun. I enjoyed myself a lot. I wish I had like 4 more of these to play with. But I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. I wish you all a very, very happy Halloween. Be safe out there. Have a good time. And we'll see you real soon. Slow, sexy spin. That's so cool, man. And I know it's going to dry just as shiny, too. Which is awesome. Wow, I really like that black one, though. That's awesome. It's beautiful. Cool. Okay, that was fun. Okay, so this is the next morning, and our ready to pour pumpkins are dry. They came out so cool. I love these colors. That metallic cobalt is just incredible and looks amazing. So they turned out really pretty. This is the first one that we did, the little one that was kind of wooden. Beautiful colors on there. I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. So pretty. Gorgeous blending, those like little white lines that are very ghosty. Very cool stuff. So really happy with that one. There's the second one that we did. The bottoms are still not completely dry, so but this one has some amazing colors on it. This was that deep magenta and some metallic purple and the metallic cobalt blue and some gold. So there is a little bit of this as it drips down and continues to drip. It sort of breaks a little bit, but I think that just kind of adds to the Halloween-y feeling. But most of it is not like that. It's pretty smooth and super, super shiny. I don't know if you guys can see the shine on these. This was one other one that I played with a little bit because we had one more pumpkin left. But very cool stuff. But that Artist Loft Ready to Pour paint is a great alternative if you're looking for something fun to do with your kids or grandkids. Not a lot of mess, no mixing involved. Oops, sorry. But beautiful stuff. So I'm really, really happy with this and the dark magic that it created. I love this one. It's so pretty. Just gorgeous. Like that top is So this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you all have a very, very happy Halloween. Stay safe out there. Have a great time. And we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks so much for being here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.